didn't flutter that time, though. That's kind of weird.
Yeah. Bro, it smells way more like...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you smell that, right?
What point?
That was 16 pounds. I should probably chill.
Bro, I've never, like, dude, I've been in your car, like, many times for the past 2 years. I've never smelled your car like this, though.
I might have some exhaust leaks, bro.
What happened?
It does smell a little bit, but I mean,
It smells like...
we just did a
like
shit ton
really
of
bad. Not really bad. I mean, I like... It's a good smell, but... I don't know. It smells way different.
30 seconds.
We are tuning the car for the first time after putting in all the parts.
Fun facts from its franchise. May the force live long and
With the homies, of course. This thing is rowdy. She's rowdy. I'm gonna get the whole thing on video. It's gonna be sick. We got Jacob in that pass seat.
That's good, eh?
Running the wideband.
Tomorrow to record, bro.
Huh?
I mean, you gotta let me know, like, as far as, like, what I should record.
I'm gonna
All
hold
right.
this here, and you're gonna put your phone right here and record
Like,
this
right over
and
my
the speed,
shoulder.
Yeah.
I'll probably put it, like... Wait, Jake, like, what's your,
Alright, lock in, bro.
Just let me know when you're gonna do the poll.
Yeah, seriously,
Yeah, I know.
So I'm gonna roll my window down a crack.
Got you. Yo, should we do a practice run? Andrew, get both these in the same frame. Like, hold it like right there.
What, right now?
No, like just, I mean, yeah, start recording. No, I'm not gonna do the pull yet, but like I want to make sure he's got the right view.
Take like a 3-second video like this. Make sure you can see the speed. Like, go like right here.
Wait, right now or no?
Go like
Yeah, right now.
here.
Take it right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Could you see it? Andrew? You're good. Cut it.
You can cut it.
Yep.
You see the bit?
Is it chopped? Bro, see
What
that?
RPM did he start at?
He said 2,500 to 65.
Bro, my phone's on 1.
All right, ready?
How long?
3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's not good.
It's breaking up.
Why is it doing that? Oh, I gotta check engine light.
P017.
Oh, it just flashed and it went away. It's weird. If it starts breaking up again, though, I'm letting off. 3, 2, 1. Dude, it feels like the wastegate, like, it's like, it fell off, or it's not, like, going through the dump tube. It's like,
It's breaking up.
letting out.
I feel that shit.
You see the...
The check engine light keeps flashing, too. Misfire. Cylinder 2 misfire. So I just sent the tuner torque performance back, the data logs, and a video of the car breaking up. It's misfire related, cylinder 2. I don't know if he's able to tell if it's fuel related or if it's like a spark plug or a coil pack. So I asked him, but I'm gonna assume it's gonna be like a spark plug or a coil pack or something like that. So now I just have to wait for him to get back to me, and then I gotta go back into cylinder 2 and probably get a new spark plug and a coil pack. I don't know, but I'll probably just get both of those brand new and go from there, throw it back in. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, here we go. The Jersey barriers.
Or take this thing through Hartford.
Off the motor. 18.99 pounds. Everything looks mint though. That was only 60% of the injectors, dude. 59. Let's go. Bro, before it'd be like 120, 120%. Damn. W.
After every revision, it just gets more and more.
More and more, yeah.
I bet you that, because the last one was 50, I bet you the next one will be 70.
70%?
Yeah.
The last one was 40, I think, right? Yeah. Oh my god, we have to do it again now. Damn.
About 20 minutes.
I didn't vlog it the whole time, I'm shot.
Make sure to delete that video so you don't get them confused.
Nah, keep that, because I want that. Ready? Go. Wow.
It almost felt better the second time.
I know it did.
Watch wastegate videos of like an external wastegate, and like the non-fucking car people are like, oh, I think your turbo was surging, sir. That is not good. That is not a good sound. You got an engine, you got an exhaust leak.
Okay, we got our 2 logs. Now he closes at 6, I think 6 or 6:30, so he'll probably send us another tune tonight. Dude, it's scary, bro. It's scary, like, foot to the floor. Like, how it doesn't feel right. Because I'm so used to overboosting. Remember, you overboosted it? But it's not because of the wastegate.
I didn't even have my foot to the floor.
I know.